Hi guys, another video of this beautiful waterfall I came across in Wales. It's absolutely amazing place. I'll leave all the information about the name and the location down in the description. There's an hole just there in the middle, in the bottom, right in the centre, to the water. And what it is, I get really close to it in this video. But I'm thinking to myself, because I love a challenge. I mean, you'll see this video. It's quite now biting on the edge of your seat. So please watch it all. But what I'd like to do, if I get enough subscribers and enough likes, and get enough people join my channel, so I can grow it. I would love to go over there the next time I come and then fly the drone through that hole. So if any of you'd like to see that, please like and subscribe, because as soon as I get the like and subscribes, I'm going to go out there and I'm going to do it again. In the meantime, enjoy this beautiful footage. It's an amazing place. You can have a picnic down the bottom, or you can have a little trek up the side and get to the top. Whatever you decide to do, I know you'll have such a beautiful day. So all I can say is thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the channel. Thanks for watching. Take care.
I know I've broken promises. I'm way too good at keeping you from getting in. I've seen exactly how this ends. I never get too close, afraid to lose again. 'Cause I'm thinking back to 17, when I was young and so naive, falling into love like such a fool. Yeah, I was dumb, but she was me. It broke my trust, and honestly, I never wanna feel that hurt again. I'm so done breaking down my walls for someone to break me till I fall apart. Loneliness is not that hard. And I'm over waiting for a sense of closure, trying to cover up these scars, won't fix another broken heart. And I'm over waiting for a sense of closure, trying to cover up these scars, won't fix another broken heart, Can't help but wonder if it's me. You say I'm too closed off, but maybe we're not meant to be. And I'm afraid of who I've been. The weight of those mistakes I've made won't let me let you in. 'Cause I'm thinking back to 23, when I was drunk and so was she. Said the words I love you for the first time. We felt so fast we couldn't see. Our story was a tragedy. I never wanna feel that hurt again. I'm so done breaking down my walls for someone to break me till I fall apart. Loneliness is not that hard. And I'm over waiting for a sense of closure, trying to cover up these scars, won't fix another broken heart. And I'm over waiting for a sense of closure, trying to cover up these scars, won't fix another broken heart. feeling